Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial of Plaxis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see the construction of a diaphragm wall. We're gonna see how it works and what's a diaphragm wall and how we can model it on Plaxis. So before I start, if you're new to this YouTube channel, just subscribe and like my YouTube videos please. It's very helpful for civil engineers. So first of all, we're gonna see the stability of a diaphragm wall. So before I start, what's a diaphragm wall? A diaphragm wall is a type of wall constructed under the soil before the excavation. So this is a diaphragm wall. This is the construction of the excavation of the diaphragm wall. So we're excavating here with this machine. We put the cage with bentonite. We excavate with bentonite also. We put the cage inside the bentonite and the trench, and then we put concrete from bottom to up and take out the bentonite from the excavation. So bentonite is used in order to fill the void that we've created and to ensure the stability of the soil. It make a pressure on the walls that is like the pressure created from the soil which was inside the excavation. So this is the machine, the excavating machine. It looks like this one. So I'm gonna start. First of all, we excavate them in this uh, like these phases, phase 1, 2, and 3. It's the phase that ensure the maximum stability. And the bentonite is put when we're excavating the wall. So we're gonna also see the safety factor. We're gonna make a safety analysis here, and also I'm gonna talk about the stability. The stability is lowest in the third phase when we excavate all these trenches. So I'm gonna start by the geometry. This is the geometry. 30 meters depth, 1.2 meter thickness, and this is the project properties and the soil stratigraphy, the soil properties. So this is the soil. Gonna start by the structure, how I drew the structure. Here we drew three surfaces. These are the coordinates of the surfaces, and we're gonna extrude them to minus 30. Then we're gonna generate a mesh. These are the walls. This is the mesh. So I'm not gonna draw this in this tutorial because it's very easy. We've done a tutorial that's more hard than this one. Flow condition. And these are the phases. So I'm gonna explain all the phases and what do they mean. So phase 1, it's the excavation part. We're gonna excavate the volume part 1. We're gonna put the bentonite here. So if I go to the excavation part 1, we can see the soil, the geometry, volume 1. We've put the bentonite here. Z reference is 40 and P reference is 0. So every meter we're gonna have minus 11 kilonewton per meter. It will be a total of 330 kilonewton. I'm sorry. In the last part of our excavation, it's here. Phase 2, we're gonna select the second excavation part 2 and put the bentonite. And phase 3, we're gonna excavate the third part. So let's see it here. This is phase 1. This is phase 2. And this is phase 3. So in phase 1, we put a safety calculation. It's in parallel with the second one. And phase 2, the second safety calculation, and also in phase 3. So in phase 4, we're gonna put the fluid concrete inside the excavation. When we put the fluid concrete, we are also gonna take out the bentonite. So this is why we're gonna change the parameters here. We can see it's minus 24. It's the concrete pressure. It's double. It's double the bentonite pressure. Then it's cured concrete. When we're gonna set the water condition to dry, and the concrete has cured here. And 6 to 9 is the safety analysis. So this is cured concrete. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and see the calculation. So we can see the stress. So this is phase, I'll go to phase 1. This is phase 1. You can see the pressure of the bentonite. You're gonna see the stress in this direction. You can see the stress created. So this is the stress. You can also see the deformation. I'm gonna create a section for this one. Okay, put it on 0, 1, and 1, 1. And I go to deformation, total displacement. I'm gonna go to excavation part 2. It's the second one, and excavation part 3. Then we can see the safety factor here by creating a curve. So I'm not gonna do this one because we already made curves in the previous tutorial. This is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.